Welcome to our comprehensive video guide on traveling to Somalia, a country with a rich history, diverse landscapes, and a unique cultural heritage. In this video, we'll embark on a virtual journey through Somalia's most intriguing tourist destinations, discuss the country's economic situation, explore safety considerations, and delve into the resilience of Somali hospitality. 1. Tourist attractions in Somalia. A. Mogadishu. Explore the capital city of Mogadishu, with its historic architecture, bustling markets, and the iconic Lido beach. B. Las Gil. Visit the ancient cave paintings of Las Gil, showcasing vibrant depictions of early human life. C. Bosaso. Discover the coastal city of Bosaso, known for its vibrant seaport and the stunning Red Sea beaches. D. Hargeisa. Immerse yourself in the culture of Hargeisa, the capital of Somaliland, and visit the vibrant livestock market. 2. Economic situation in Somalia. A. Economy. Somalia's economy is primarily based on agriculture, livestock, and remittances, with ongoing efforts to rebuild after years of conflict. B. Economic challenges. The country faces challenges related to infrastructure development, poverty reduction, and the impact of ongoing conflicts. 3. Safety in Somalia. A. Security. Somalia has experienced conflict and instability, and certain regions may pose security concerns. Travelers should stay informed and exercise caution. B. Health precautions. Due to the limited healthcare infrastructure, travelers should take health precautions, including vaccinations and seeking medical advice. C. Cultural respect. Show respect for local customs, traditions, and religious practices, and dress modestly to align with local norms. 4. How Somalis deal with tourists. A. Resilient hospitality. Despite challenges, Somalis are known for their resilience and warm hospitality, often welcoming visitors with open arms. B. Cultural exchange. Embrace the opportunity for cultural exchange, engage in conversations with locals, and learn about the diverse traditions and languages. C. Support for local businesses. Support local businesses and artisans, contributing to the local economy and fostering positive interactions with the community. 5. Responsible travel tips. A. Cultural sensitivity. Learn about the local languages, customs, and traditions, and be mindful of the conservative cultural norms in certain regions. B. Supporting local initiatives. Engage with and support community-based tourism initiatives, which can contribute to sustainable development. C. Leave no trace. Practice responsible tourism by minimizing your environmental impact and respecting local ecosystems. 7. Conservation efforts and natural wonders. A. Conservation initiatives. Explore any ongoing conservation efforts in Somalia, such as protecting wildlife and natural habitats. B. Potential natural wonders. Research potential natural wonders or unique landscapes in Somalia that may attract adventurous and ecotourism enthusiasts. 8. Economic resilience and development initiatives. A. Entrepreneurship. Highlight stories of entrepreneurship and economic resilience in Somalia, showcasing how locals are contributing to rebuilding efforts. B. Development projects. Discuss any international or local development projects aimed at fostering economic growth and stability. 9. Cultural experiences and festivals. A. Cultural festivals. If applicable, delve into any cultural festivals or events that showcase traditional Somali arts, music, and customs. B. Local artisans. Feature local artisans and craftsmen, showcasing traditional Somali craftsmanship and unique souvenirs. 10. Responsible tourism initiatives. A. Community-based tourism. If available, promote community-based tourism initiatives that allow travelers to engage directly with local communities. B. Sustainable practices. Explore any sustainable tourism practices being implemented to preserve Somalia's natural and cultural resources. 11. Tips for engaging with locals. A. Language considerations. Offer basic language tips for travelers, encouraging them to learn a few common Somali phrases to enhance their interactions.